Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. This is something that's been spiraling all over social media. People are talking about it, so let's go ahead and cover it. Are Xboxes catching on fire, smoking, and doing what they do in this video? And the answer to that question I'll cover in 1 second. But guys, we have seen in the past technology come out and literally blow up on us. I mean, Samsung had a whole entire phone that would literally blow up on you because the battery was so messed up. And it would completely, utterly hurt you if, let's say, it was in your pocket or something. Now, are Xbox Ones actually doing this? Well, first off, I want to say I do have an Xbox Series X. I have a review on my channel and an unboxing. And I've had it now for about a day. I have, what I do a lot of times, because I play Madden, just as a random fact, is that I leave my Xbox on all night. Because, of course, how Madden works is if the servers go down, as long as you're logging into the servers, you're fine. Well, I've left my Xbox on all last night after seeing this. After seeing this, I wanted to leave it on, and my Xbox has been on for a good 16, 17 hours straight, okay? No bullcrap, it's 17 hours straight. Mine is not smoking. Now, the reason why these are smoking, guys, is not because of a hardware issue, not because of a technology issue. It's because a lot of these are fake. Now, is there a console out there that's smoking without being fake? 100%, definitely. But that's not the case for most of these consoles. This is very, very easy to create this. And there's so many videos on YouTube on how to create this. All you have to do is put a vape pen underneath of the console. You blow the vape air through the console, and it pretty much acts like a funnel and just funnels the air straight out like it's smoking. Guys, you can also open it up and do the same concept. This is not actually smoking. This is not a technology issue. You can see that literally the console's off. If it was smoking, it would be from the console being on. The console was off and it is smoking. Which you might say, well, he probably just turned it off. I highly doubt that. So anyway, though, the guy who made this video, he is another mutt YouTuber, so most likely he did this as a joke. And again, guys, these consoles aren't actually smoking. They're just simply a trick people are playing as a joke. And I know a lot of people are speculating like, oh my God, this is a real thing. Let's say it was a real thing. First off, every time there's a new system that comes out, system, phone, whatever, there's always like 1% of the units that are faulty or broken. Does that mean that if you buy this, this console or a phone, are you going to get a faulty unit? Most likely not. Because most likely there's a 99% chance your product works absolutely fine without an issue. But there will be times where people have issues with the products and it won't be able to work and it will have issues. And just like this on the screen right now, this smoking, most likely fake, is something that could happen. This could happen to you, your console smoking. How about my console smoked? No, I've had this on straight, and like I said, guys, straight on for 16 hours. This has not been turned off since I turned it on because I wanted to see, would this happen? Because I wanted to go ahead and report to you guys what actually, is this fake or not? And personally speaking, I could just have really good Xbox One, Xbox Series X, or it simply could be just the fact that this video is fake. With that in mind, guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and comment down below. Please do not see this video and then think, oh my God, I can't buy a Series X, because that's not the case. This is most likely fake. You are being trolled. Don't be trolled. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.